All right, this is a tutorial for playing Leaving on a Jet Plane as a piano accompanist. And you'll remember from other videos with me that when you do that, you play your chord in the right hand, the root note of the chord in the left hand down low, and you sing on top of it. So it's a much easier process. The first chord is a G chord. I'm going to suggest to you that you do it with a second inversion like this, B, D, and G. Makes it real easy to change from G to C. Just move those two notes up. So it's all my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Standing here outside your door. There's C. I hate to wake you up. Now up is an E minor chord. And one of the things that you'll learn as you get better at this is it's a good idea to try to move smoothly and evenly between the chords. If all you have to do to change from this G chord is change one finger, that's a real easy way and a smooth way to change from a G chord to an E minor chord there. And then for the D, we just move it down like that. So it's all really, your wrist is pretty much in the same position. You play your G chord like this, G, B, and D. Your C chord, you just move those bottom two notes up to E and C. Move back and forth like that. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up. You just move your third finger to that E. That makes it an E minor chord there. B, E, and G. And then to do the D chord, what we're going to do is we're going to do A, D, and F sharp. So that's an inverted chord too, but when you use that position, or what we would call voicing for that chord, it makes it very smooth. So G, C, G, E minor, D. That's pretty much what the whole song is. So when I play a G chord here in my right hand, guess what I'm playing down low? And I like the sound of this rather than just doing it there. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. Now you could play it with a C chord there. In fact, you could vary it between this C and this C, but I kind of like it down low. But standing here outside your door, I hate to wake you up. There, your E minor, you're doing that E there, and then D. So here's what it sounds like, singing it and playing it together. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. And if you want to add some rhythm there, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome. E minor there, I could die. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. That's pretty much it. It's got some other verses and some more chorus in there, but that's the song. as a piano accompanist. Real easy.